Good morning and welcome to the shop. Now it's super early on a Sunday morning, but we're excited. And we're excited because today we're starting a project for our friends at the Vindolanda Charitable Trust, and we're going to take this beautiful bit of black ash worktop and we're going to start the process of turning that into this wonderful beacon that we've designed together. And this will sit pride of place outside of their new extension. Visitors will be encouraged to light the beacon and send a message of thanks to their funders. Now there's a lot of detail in this. It's quite a big piece. You'll see it's filling the CNC machine there. It's approximately 2.3 meters tall. It's ½ meter wide. And so it'll take several days for us to get this piece completed. Now, today we're going to start the detail on the top surface. We're going to start out roughing out with a 6mm cutter. We'll then go down through the cutters, all the way down through 4, through 2 to 1.5mm, just to get all of the detail that we're looking for. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. We've got some time lapse set up so you can watch the process as it unfolds. Okay, so about 2 hours in and the 6mm has just finished. So as you can see, it's now been through and it's taken out the starter of things like the funders logos. We've got the TV screen there, and then right up at the top here we've got the actual Roman Army Museum logo as well. As you can see, the 6mm just takes out most of the rough and the meat, and obviously now we'll look to come back in and sharpen up the edges with the smaller tools and obviously fill in the detail on things like the Vindolanda Charitable Trust logo, where you can see there's a lot of finer detail. So on to the 4mm. about 4 hours in, and we're at the stage. So we've now had the 6mm, we've had the 4mm, and we've had a 3mm through as well. So you can see that we're starting to pick out the detail. We're starting to pull out some of the other elements. And here you'll see that now we've got, thanks to the National Lottery players, we've started to tidy up the Heritage Fund logo, and we've got a little bit more detail in the Vindolanda logo. So on next to the 2mm, and we'll start and really pull out some detail. Okay, just a very quick update. So we started cutting at 5 o'clock this morning. It's been a very successful day, but it's now the early hours of tomorrow morning, or we started yesterday and it's now today. I can't quite remember, but we've had a good session. You can see that we've taken out a lot of the details. So we've got the main logo all in there. We've got the call to action now routed. And then down here at the bottom, we've got all the sponsors' logos. We've got the divider, and we've also got the start of the stream screen coming in there. So a good day's work. I think that's about it for today, and we'll pick it up again tomorrow, where we'll cut out the rest of the relief on the front and we'll start looking at what needs to be done for resin.